What's up guys, it's Chuck from MUC-OFF and I'm going to be showing you our eBike Essentials Kit. So in this eBike Essentials Kit we have our clean, our protect and our lube. Let's take a look at the cleaning products. First up we have clean. So we always want to start with bio-degreaser, which is going to help blast away any of that build-up of grease, dirt and grime which is amongst your cassette. We're going to wait for that to really soak in, and we can also agitate it with one of our claw brushes which has multiple attachments to get to all those hard to reach areas. Next up, you want to grab your nanotechnology bike spray. Spray this over your entire bike, let it work its magic, and then agitate any of those grimy areas with a microcell sponge. And then rinse it off. So next up we have protection, and here we have our bike protect. So this is going to help drive out any excess water after a wash, but also help prevent dirt adhesion in between washes. So next time it comes to cleaning your bike, it will be a lot easier. So next up is lube. Here we have our eBike dry weather ceramic lube, which has been specifically designed to withstand the torque an e-bike motor produces to allow your components to run smoother and last longer. So there you have it, that is the eBike Essentials Kit, all the essentials you need to clean, protect and lubricate your bike.